I'll teach how to set home page in SuccessFactors. Okay. So to set home page or to configure home page in SuccessFactors, okay, first let's talk about permissions. Okay, how you get the permission to set the home page or how you provide permission to set the home page. Okay, so come here and type permission, manage permission row. Mr. Martin. Next, type home page. Home page. Under administrator permission, manage system property, you get this access manage home page. Okay. And to manage home page, okay, it means this thing, right? This page. So we are going to learn how to configure this page. Okay, so there are different sections. This is greeting section. This is quick action. This is the approval, okay, section and survey. Okay, this is to-do list. Okay, so these are the different sections. So how to configure this? Okay, so let's come here and type manage page, manage home page. Okay, so manage home page in general section and card section. So in general section, we have banner image. Okay, this banner image. This icon, okay, you expand from this. Okay, and see banner image. So choose the banner image of the home page or choose to hide it. Okay, you can use the default image or upload a new one that's visible to everyone. If you want to use a different banner image for the different group, yes, means HR when HR group will log in, so they see the different banner image. When IT group log in, they see different banner image. So this we can do, but this we cannot do through this home page. We have to set theme manager. So let me teach you first this how to set home page, then I'll teach you theme manager also. Okay. So use default banner image, upload banner image, hide banner image. Hide means once you hide this, okay, and save, see you don't see any banner image. Okay, fine. Now let's use default banner image. This is the default banner image. So this is the way we change banner image. Okay. Now manage quick action. Manage quick action means you don't need to navigate. Okay. So something is like daily you will use any transaction which you will use daily, right? What you can do, you can just create a quick action. Means you can just come here and click on this and you can system will redirect you basically to this transaction. Okay. So this is the way, okay, you can manage quick action in system like this. Okay. So let's see how to manage this. Okay. Come here, manage quick action. So choose the color you want to apply to quick actions. You can choose one of the predefined option on this page or you can customize. So it means if you need more color, See, under this manage homepage, you will have only these two options. Okay, 5 color options and 1 color option. So in case if you want more color, then what you can do, you can change all these things. You can customize all these things through theme manager. Okay. Custom themes override the option on this page. So 5 color and 1 color. So these are 5 colors and these are 1 color. So which option you want to choose? So right now what we have 5 colors. Okay. So let me change from here 1 color and save it. See, 1 color. Only 1 color we have. Okay. This is the way you change. Now, how many quick action you can see on front end? How many? So let's see this. Choose a standard or custom quick action means there are standard quick action and you can customize quick action as well. Okay. So maximum number of custom quick action you can create only 5, not more than 5. So it means maximum quick actions are standard quick actions. Okay. So you can customize only 5. So choose a standard or custom quick action. You want to show on the home page and the order you want them to appear in. Order means this. First, okay, view favorite report will appear, then admin alert, then position. So if you are not satisfied with this order, so what you can do, you can change a position. It means you can change order. You can reorder all these things, right? Okay. You can create and enable up to 5 custom quick action. People can see up to 16 quick action. Suppose you have 60 quick action, but user can see only top 16 quick action. So not more than 16. Okay. Not more than 16 on home page into. And two quick action, so you cannot remove. Okay. So these are standard options. Okay, you cannot remove. So reminder and favorite, reminder and favorite, so you can play only with these 14 quick actions. So top 14 quick action you can basically show, okay, as per your demand, or as per your requirement, but you cannot replace all these. You, or even you cannot delete, not replace this favorite and remind. Okay, this you cannot touch. You cannot do anything, okay, related to this. These are the things, okay, forever you will get this quick action, reminder and favorite on home page. Okay, fine. So up to 14 you can play. So that are visible to them in the order below, plus two standard quick action for reminder and favorite. To change the order, you can drag and drop with the mouse for use or use the quick action menu. Means I if I want, okay, clock my time. Okay, this I want to use, but I want to use in first position. Okay, taking time will become huge. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, you use quick action and see those quick actions are standard. Can you see this? Can those quick actions are standard? You can just you have only two options. You can change position or you can enable or disable. Means this quick action you want on your home page, but you don't have any edit option or delete option. You have edit or delete option, okay, only on customize, okay, quick action. So let me delete this custom quick action. This custom means, okay, user created this. Now, yeah, no, you don't have any custom quick action. And how many custom quick action we can customize? We can customize only of 5 custom quick action. Okay. Hold on. Let me do one thing. Manage permission row. We log in on behalf of this user, right? Okay. This user. Let me add this user in permission. Assignment, access population, everyone is fine. And target population, everyone. One means everyone can do okay, edit, delete, all these things, and for everyone. Okay, then this is the fine. No issue. We save this, right? Yes. Now let me plan according to me. Okay. Or delegate my workflow. Yes, this option we want. Not that, not that. My calendar, yes. Give feedback, no. Growth portfolio, yes. Report center, yes. Suppose my learning, yes. Yes, see, this is the way you decided, okay, what you want. Okay. Yeah. So this we have done. Okay. Now let's customize. Okay. Something. So create action and want to customize AI. Okay. Then choose icon, click on next. Now suppose you want a URL. Okay. And open link in a new window and tab. Right. So no rule. I'm not creating any rule. Just URL. So quick action in mobile app also. So let's do one thing. Select this on next. Okay. And see assignment. You can choose. Okay. who can see this? Okay, so dynamic group, okay, permission role or group. Okay, so you can choose all these options. Fine. Okay, you can add group, you can delete group, added group, or you can delete. So suppose you want to add a new group, come here. So you know how to create this group, right? Okay. H1, pick the category, job code. Then get the job code is there. Fine. So this is the way you add it, right? And you can assign a permissions group as well in case you want to assign a permission group. Okay, like this. Everyone and ZaranTech super add. Okay. So this is the way you can choose option. Okay, so dynamic group, you can assign a dynamic group and permission group, role and group also. So how you create all these things in last class we have already discussed, right? So how to create group, permission, roles and group, right? So like this, you can choose this option and active period. So this card, okay, will be available always or any date range. Okay, so you see, so maybe this card you want to just available for this group. Okay, they can see only for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Yes, this you can choose. Okay, so this I want for this. Great. That AI services. Okay, see, only in front of custom card. Okay, you see this edit and delete option. Okay, okay, this is. See AI services. Suppose you want this AI services in first position, you can. It's not coming. Yeah, fine. That's taking time. System is taking time basically. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, quick action we can configure. Okay, now let's see another task. Favorites. Okay, favorites. So how you add your transaction in favorites. Okay, so come here. Okay, so these are some favorites. Delete it. Now add. Click on this plus sign, create a link, okay, and you can create your favorites. So suppose favorites means the transaction which I want to add in favorites, I can create a link for that. So I want to add in favorites, add export employee export. Okay, this one. So now from here, okay, open in a new link. So again, dynamic group, it's enabled. Okay, great. You created this option. Now add in favorite. So first you need to create this option in backend, then add in front end. So how you will add it? Come here, home page, view favorites. Okay, available option. So employee export, right? Yeah, this one. Click on this. See, employee export. So these are available option and you have to select this as the like this is start mark, then you can see in favorite. This is the way you customize in favorite. Okay. In admin tool also, admin center, right? Okay. See this tools. Okay, these are in favorite. So how you manage all these things? It's very simple. Just come here, see all. Suppose this you want to add as a favorite, just mark it like this. Okay. Simple. See, calculate 360 benchmark rating and application security feature setting. Okay, so this we have done. So this is the way we maintain favorites. Okay, fine. Yeah. And yeah, this is what this is a up to approval workflow approval things. Okay, so this is something related to the workflow. Okay, and to-do list. Can you see this to-do list? This you have to activate. Okay, from where we system and logo setting, company system and logo setting. Yeah. There is a to-do list, okay? Yeah, enable to do see. Okay, so this you have to enable from here. Now cards. So see survey. So any survey you want to do, okay, then you can click you can create a card, okay, in the survey section. In this section, okay. Come here. Okay, so let me delete all. Okay, this. You see. Okay, so see now there is no survey. Or these are to-do list, okay? There is no survey. So come here and add a survey. This, okay. Type. This is again group, okay. Oh, sorry, date range, okay. So date range is suppose 8 June to 15 June. Okay. Okay. So this is the way you have created a survey. Okay. Any survey you want to do, okay, in company, then you can create this. Take time to update, okay. So we have created a survey 8 June to 15 June. This is my 8 June to 15 June date range. Okay. That. Now let's create organizational update. Okay, so any organizational update you want to do, then you can create it. Okay, work folder is a different folder. Okay, this folder is coming, right? So suppose under this default folder you want to create any update. Okay, so okay, now there is no folder. So you can add up to 100 custom card. People can see up to 16 of them. They see the top 16 active card that are visible to them in below. To change the order of card folder, you can drag and drop with them with a mouse or use the more action menu. Okay. So now let's create a folder. Organization support system down folder to position one. Okay. So you created name. I just want to create a first. I just want to create a card, not folder. Okay. So default folder is enough for me. This is okay. Create a card. Okay. I can okay, click on next, and here I want to create URL. Just forward minute. Okay. So permission to everyone. Folder in default folder. If there will be more folder, then what you can create a folder and you can use this card in that folder. Date range, suppose I want to this. Okay. So based on start date or otherwise you can choose based on start date, based on termination date. Okay, number of days before the start date to show the card, number of days after the start date to hide the card. Okay, so this you can choose. Okay, then click on create and save. Let's check. See, employee survey, right? You can hide or you can remind me. If you select remind me, okay, then see it will come under the reminder option. Okay, under the reminder option. I will not see here. Now this is organization update. System will be down. Okay, like this. Okay, this is organized. So this is the way you manage card. Now one more thing. Supplement card. Supplement card means any task, sorry, supplement task, any task that you want to create. Okay, so suppose example, to 1st March, okay, you have to submit your appraisal, or up to 1st May, you have to submit your income tax document. So these kind of tasks, okay. So you can create a task. Let me create one task. So these are the standard folders, okay. Compensation planning, task, take action, set goal, job offer, all these tasks, okay. So let me create one task, create a task, take action, due date, post this. So number of days to show pending tasks before they are due. Number of days to show tasks after they are due. 623, right? 23 before pending. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Okay. Created a task. The task will also come. It will take time. So this is the way basically you manage your home page. Okay. This is the way manage home page. Okay. How you manage home page. So there are different sections. In different section you will manage your home page. Okay. So but there is one thing now. A success factor has changed the user interface for this, so you can enable or disable the new home page also. But how? So come here or type company system and logo control F. Yeah, see, enable the latest home page experience, right? Okay. So when you enable and see there are more setting is just for the allow user to personalize their home page. Okay, and save it. This is the latest one. Now see, this is latest UI. So delegate workflow reminder. So means your quick action you can see here. Okay. And sorry, your quick action you can see here. AI services customize. Standard you can see here. Customize you can see here. You can, and this is good morning, Stephen. Okay, so this is the message with the name. Okay, proper name. Okay, use this app to quickly complete tasks and stay connected anytime, anywhere. This is the mobile app, and if you click on this, okay, so you can see, you can choose this option, choose whether to include your name in the greeting message, greeting by name. Okay, and see quick link, this quick link, choose a quick link to show on your home page. You can use the one provided by your organization, or you can create your own. You can add up to 5 personal quick link, and from here you can create your quick link. Okay, so you know right how to create a quick link, right? Okay, and you can add it, right? Example. Okay, see, it is added. Want to delete it, you can delete. Okay, fine. Then quick action. Okay, so quick action, choose the quick action to show on your home page. So this you can show. So only one quick action is there, so you can create more quick action. Need attention means it's a to-do list. This you have to do. Okay, and see organizational update and survey. So you have set in the reminders, so you will see in reminders. Okay, see employee feedback, right? Okay, this is in reminder. organization update. And this is your personalized, explore more, you personalize on your home page. So see, if you click on personalized experience, the same thing. Okay, this is just explore more success. Okay, good morning. Okay, these are the different cards. Okay, you can explore more these cards, right? Okay, so this is again a card. Okay, see, this I have created quick action, right? Okay, and this is just a good morning. So this is our home page. Okay, so you know the base and you know the previous one, so you can set all these things. The same things are there, but these things are more easy. Okay, and if you want to use a new UI, so you can go to the company setting and logo, and you can create it. If you don't want to use the new UI, then you can just disable that option and you can use the legacy one. Okay, so suppose now I don't want to use this. Okay, so what I can do, I can come here, company, system and logo setting, this is the standard one. And theme manager, right? So come here in theme manager. So you will have more option here in theme manager. Okay, the topic, okay, home page setup. We understood how to set up this set this home page or configure this home page. But in case you want to like add more thing, then we have to go to the theme manager. Okay, this we discussed in our last class. So let's go to the theme manager and see what you can do in theme manager. So type here theme manager, and we have two by default theme available in SuccessFactor: SAP Fury with morning horizon and SAP Fury with evening horizon. Okay, these two themes by default themes available, and these themes are locked. You cannot delete these themes. What you can do, you can copy from these themes and modify according to your requirement. Okay, and suppose you want a night theme, right? So what you can do, you just come here and choose it. Save it. Okay, so now you change the theme. Okay. So now which theme you are using? We are using this dark evening horizon dark theme. Okay. Let's see. Log out and log in again. Dark theme, right? Okay. So let's create your themes. Let me copy from this. Select this. Save this. Log out and log in again. Okay. So now let's learn how you control it. Okay. Click on these three dots and create duplicate. Sorry. And tag. Okay. Now save this. You copy a theme. Okay. And mention user's name is ZaranTech. Okay. This is. So now let's see what you can do. Okay. So this is theme name. This is theme description. And this is quick theme. Page background color. Okay. So this background color. Okay. You want to change, then you can change from here. See which color you want. Okay. This is your color. Okay. This is the way you can choose. Okay. Fine. Now accent color scheme based on. Okay. So it's two color you have changed. Okay. Let's see. Use text shadow. In case you want to use a text shadow. Okay. Text shadow can use. Yes. Container shadow. Okay. Dark, light, or what? Suppose dark you want to use it. Okay. Use downloads font. The setting allows the use of modern visual style like rounded corner and shadow effect and older browser like Internet Explorer 7 8. Okay. Use advanced style. Okay. In older browser. Yes. Okay. So this is the way you are changing. Okay. Let me save this change and see. ZaranTech, right? This one. Okay. So this is your default theme now. Okay. Save this. Come here and try. Refresh. So your thing, this color, you are able to see this color, this gray color because of your selection, color selection. Okay. This this color. Let's suppose you want to change it, right? This color. Then how you will change it? To change this, okay? This is page background color. This is color, okay? And this accent color background. Yes, this is select. Okay, now save this one. Hmm. See, this selection process, okay? It's coming in different color, okay? This process. And this background color is a different now. And see, this is this is in different color, okay? Because of this selection. Accent color scheme based on and page background color. This is your page background color. Suppose if you want to change this, see, this is your color now. See, okay, color is changed. Okay, this is the way change two colors. Let's okay. Now use text shadow. Okay, container shadows. Okay, so this talking about this shadows. Okay, text shadows, container shadows, and all. So now come here, fine tune. Okay, fine tune. This is background. Select texture image. Background texture image. Okay, enter URL image, upload image, or suppose no image. When you select no image, see this, no image. Okay, save this. Okay, I'm talking about this background image. Okay, so there is no image. Now There is no image, right? Okay, and suppose you want to upload any image. Okay, upload any image. So you can upload image. Okay, from here you can upload image. Fine. Let me download one image, then show you how to upload it. Okay, hold on. I'm just downloading a new image. Okay, downloaded. Let me add this. Hold on. Checking which image I downloaded. Yeah. So upload that image. This in zip file. Let's check. Okay, I'm not allowed to upload this, but from here we upload this thing, right? We do upload application error. Okay, so this is nothing. Okay, this is something related to the system administrations. Okay, so but from here we can upload the image. Okay, select the texture image. Okay, this this okay, this that changing. Okay, you can choose from this, and this is image display repeat. Okay, repeat text position. Okay, so where you want to basically see left, center, right, center. This you can choose. Okay, this you can choose. Right, lightning, padding from center. Okay, so this all these things, right? Header background, how you want to use header background. Again, you can upload an image and you want to change this color head for header background. You can change it and say this is for header background. Okay, fine tune. So this is for the background, right? This is header background. This is header text and icon color. Okay, the way you can change it. Okay, this is logo. Okay, use default logo or upload a logo. This you can choose. Okay, you can upload a logo from here. Logo background container. Okay, so how you want any color. Okay, in background like this. Okay, this is you can choose logo with. Okay, this you can choose the placement color, title color. Any link is there, then you can choose a link color. Okay. This you can choose a color, subject color, background type, dark or light. This you can choose. Border color you can choose, means like all colors. Okay, everything you can choose right from here. Landing page theme, any landing page theme you want. Menu, text color or these color, global navigations colors, right? Okay, all these color, portrait, the portrait color, how you want. Okay, that portrait color, this you can choose. Background link text color, body text color, okay, all these things. Okay, banner image, default, or you want to banner image means this image, okay, this, okay, this blue color image, this you want to upload, okay, fine. Then greeting text color, quick action background color, quick action text icon color, okay, all these things you can do. Let me save this first. See, logo, see, Mama, and see, this you change background, right? And see, you're choosing a green color, but your text is coming in red color, right? Because of that configuration. Okay. See, now both color are different. Your background color is different and your text color is different, and you have this logo. Okay. So quick action color, right? We have to change quick action color. So quick action color is in fine tune, in fine tune. This is the logo we choose, right? Background color for that. Yeah. Home page, quick action color, right? Quick action background color and icon color. Save this. This is default theme. Log out. Want to change this. Page. It's the greeting text color, right? This is back to see. It's coming here. Background color. I want this dark color. Okay, fine. Let me save this. Now here in preview, it's showing each and everything. Like color, greeting color is changed. Okay, caption color is changed. Text color is changed. Okay, let me refresh this. Yes, ZaranTech. This we are using as a default theme. Theme manager. Visible to everyone, right? This theme is visible to everyone. Okay. So remember that class, okay? Homepage class, we discussed this thing. So you can decide this theme will be visible, okay, to whom. So from here you can decide, okay? So this is visible to everyone. And see here this page title in green color and this quick action in this color, right? We are able to see this. This we have done. Header text and icon color, this we choose. Logo, use the default logo, this we decided. Background color of the logo. Placement, this we know, right? So all this we have done. Landing page theme Mama. So that's the reason Mama is coming. Okay, this is the menu colors. Okay, so you can choose a menu color from here. This is home page. Okay, so you choose the banner greeting text color. See, this is in red color. You choose yellow color, right? Okay, so it's coming like this. Custom card color, any custom card color. Okay, so you want to apply this, you can choose. Okay, icon color. Okay, so how you want to see the card icon color? This you can choose. Card button and border color. This you can choose, right? Card button colors. From here, you can just change the color. This is a landing page, background, border color, border opacity, all these things. Okay. Version 2 tiles. Okay. So new default header color. Okay. This. All these things, right? Group background color, accent color. Okay. So from here, basically, this theme manager you use to change the color, tables and type, any diagram color you want. If there is any diagram, then which color you want for that. Okay, you can apply all these things, right? This is the color scheme. Okay, so which color you, okay, so from here you can use a different colors also, right? Okay, and just save this. It's not showing you right now, but from the quick actions, card color, everything you can design. Okay. So like this, we change this color, right? Okay, this logo and everything you can change. Okay. Like this, we have changed this. We have changed this, right? Okay. And see this portrait color, we have decided this. Okay, which color we want. See all these colors, right? Finalize forms. Okay, everything you can decide. Okay, so what you want. Okay, for which group, what you want, right? So this we can do. Okay, all these things, right? Mm. So let me come here in theme manager again. Theme manager. Now let's change a theme. Suppose this theme you want. Save it. Now you will get each and everything according to this. Control color and branding of the success factor. So manage theme basically. Themes control the color and branding of the SAP success factor system. You can use a predefined theme or create a custom one. To create a custom theme, duplicate on the predefined theme and then edit. Okay. If you choose, you can make different theme visible to different group in your organization. The theme marked as a default is shown to everyone else. Okay. So now this is the theme. All these messages, colors, everything is coming because you changed it accordingly, right? System will taking time to reading the new changes. Okay. See, when we change this quick action, if you open our theme and see, we change this. System will take time, no issue. Okay. But with this quick actions colors, right? Quick action background color, all these things, na, you can change from this. Okay. See, with is small now. Okay, everything is changed. See, everything is changed. Background colors. Okay, page title. See, this greeting color. Okay, when I'm changing this, see, it's changing. Can you see? Good morning. Okay, the text color. When I'm changing the quick action background color, see, it's changing, right? Okay. When I'm changing text color, see, it's changing like this. Okay. See, you can see all these things, right? Custom card color, anything related to the custom. Okay. Okay, you will see here. So this is the way we are changing. Okay, but unfortunately, I don't know why. Okay, I'm not able to see this thing in front end. But rest of the changes, okay, we are able to see. Okay, no problem. Okay, but this is the way you can control, right? Okay, your color settings. This is theme manager, and you can use this theme managers to control the colors and all, right? Okay, configure people profile because that time we were configuring that. Okay, but could not see those portlets in our front end. Okay, so let's try. Okay, one more time. Okay, so this is employee files. Okay, employee file, and in this, yeah. So this is that our new card. Yes, it's there now. Jara Education. So I told you, no, like sometimes system takes time, okay, to upload this information, and I raised this ticket to SAP and got this response from SAP that when you add any card, okay, or any port category, so it will take at least 1 hour, okay, to update. So see, this is our Zara Education, right? So if you click on this, okay, so effective, apply, okay, and see all these fields are coming that you configured, okay. So all fields are coming that you configured. So this is the testing, okay. So only just we could not see that on that day just because of that we have configured latest and system do take time, system does take time to upload anything, okay, new category or new card in system. So after 1 hour, okay, you can see all this information which you just updated. So let's continue another topic, right? Hmm. Let's learn something else. So now I am just going to teach you pick list. Okay. So pick list is a drop down. So in SAP, few pick lists are pre-delivered, okay, by SAP. And if there is any business requirement, then you have to configure the pick list. Okay. So how you configure pick list and how you assign pick list, okay, in data model, in succession data model, in MDF object, and in corporate data model. So we will learn that. So to create a pick list, you have to type here pick list center. But before this, I just want to show you, okay, from where you will provide the permission. Okay. So come here in manage permission role, system admin, click on edit. Next, Picklist. Yeah. See, picklist management and picklist mapping setup. So this picklist management and picklist mapping setup under this administrator permission. Okay. So provide permission from this section. Now let's create picklist. Okay. Picklist center. Hmm. Let's create picklist. Education. Okay. Now save this. Now create value here. Always take care of the state. Okay. So as per the business requirement, you have to choose this date. Otherwise, SAP recommends you start any object with the 0101 1900. The success factor start date. Okay. So click on this plus sign. Okay. Come here. Now add values. Okay. So for example, SAP. Okay. And birthday. Okay. Now, so this is the way you have created a pick list. Now I'm going to create second pick list. Why? I just want to create two pick lists so that I can teach you parent-child relationship. Okay. So how to cascade this pick list in data model. So come here, let's create one more pick list. Okay. Click on this plus sign. Now select here parent pick list. This is a child pick list. Okay, so this is child pick list. Now I just want to assign a parent pick list here. So which pick list you want to use as a parent pick list, then you can choose from here. So we have created Zara Education. Okay. Okay. Now click on this plus sign. Choose parent pick list value. So HCM will come under which parent pick list? Okay. So as it status is active. And remember one thing, once you create your pick list, okay, after creation, you cannot delete it. So you can but you can deactivate this. Okay, so you can deactivate the whole pick list or you can deactivate that particular value as well. Okay, so see from here you can deactivate it, and suppose you want to you want to deactivate that particular value, you can click on this, and from this status you can choose inactive option. Okay, this we can do, but we cannot delete it. Okay, now come here. Okay. This is the way we have created a pick list. Now let's learn how to assign it. So first I am teaching you how to assign in MDF object, okay, or you can say generic object, okay. So just to assign this picklist in generic object, come here, configure object definition, configure object definitions, okay. So select your object. So suppose I want to assign in department, okay. Take action, make correction, okay, and scroll down. Then take action, make correction, create two fields here because you have two pick lists, right? So you have to create two pick lists. So you have two pick lists, then you have to create two fields, okay? So I'm creating here Jaya Udana Edu and choose data type pick list. Click on detail and valid value source, okay? This is your valid value source, okay, for the parent one. Okay, you have to choose, you have to copy the code. So this is my code for my parent pick list, okay? This is. Now come here, type in label. Now create second pick list, Zara. For the second pick list, what I am doing, I am creating second field, okay? So pick list value, detail, this is code. Okay, click on done and save. Then click take action, make correction. Come to the second pick list, Zara modules, okay? You have to do small configuration here. Come here in field criteria and tell your system source field name. So source field name is my parent picklist value. So system will fetch the information from parent picklist value. Okay. So understand one thing, you have to write this parent picklist value in camel casing. Means parent. So first word is a parent, right? So parent, write in small, parent, then pick, P in capital, pick, then list, L in capital, list, then value V in capital, parent pick list value, then destination field. So cust underscore Zara edu. Okay, from this field you want to fetch that value, right? So destination field is you have to follow nomenclature, okay? Cust underscore Zara edu. Okay, exactly you have to type like this. Then click on done and see. Now check manage data, department. See, Zara education. Okay. So see when so what we have done, we have created a pick list, but we have with created the parent child relationship also. It means cascading the pick list. Okay. So see what what I want when I choose SAP, I will get option, okay, only related to SAP modules. Okay. See, EC and SCM. When I choose workday, okay, so I'll get option related to the workday. So system is creating a filter for you. Okay. So this is the way we create pick list, okay, in system. So if you want to create a parent-child relationship, then create two pick list and assign in MDF object like this way. So this is the example how you assign in MDF object, right? Now let's learn how you will assign pick list in succession data model. Okay. So for succession data model, transaction is manage business configuration. Manage business configuration. Okay. Click on job information. Suppose in this HRS element, I want to assign job information. Take action, make correction. Scroll down. Create two field in succession data model because you have two pick list, right? Take action, make correction. No. Custom string, custom string, not date. Okay, so this is, and in which section you want, you can choose. Want to enable yes. Now come here in type of reference object. Okay, select pick list. Which pick list you want to add here? Zara. Add. Okay, now click on done. Now create a second field. Modules. Type of reference object. Pick list. Pick list. Zara modules and parent pick list custom string 1, right? Because your first pick list, okay, is a custom string 1. This one, okay. Click on done and save. And remember one thing, job information is effective date entity and you added these two fields in effective date entity. So you have to provide permission, okay. So go to manage permission role and provide permission, okay, for these two fields. Added. Next, effective date entity. This one. So in job information, we have created that field, right? Shortcut is you can click on the header. Okay, so whatever fields are under job information, you can view all fields, view history for all fields, India, edit, insert, correct, delete, all these you can do. Okay, but those two fields which you created, right? Yeah, these are Jara Education, Zara modules. Okay, so again, we system will take time to update it. So let's say system, if immediately system has updated these two fields, then it's fine. We can see the result in front end. Otherwise, we have to wait like configure people profile. Okay. You are able to see Zara, right? Mhm. And job information we have created. Yeah, this one. See, Zara Education. So when I'm selecting SAP, after selecting parent picklist, system has given me this option for the child one. So which field I want, which picklist I want to use. And see when I change this work day, okay, see system is showing only those options which are available for work day. So this is the way you assign picklist in a succession data model. Now let's learn how to assign picklist in corporate data model. Okay. So for corporate data model, you have to use XML. Come here and type corporate import export corporate data model. Okay. Export file first. Yes. Now come here and type XML. Open this file. Come here in table view. Okay, so these are objects and these are fields. Okay, these are fields. Let me copy this program, select this and come here in source view. Okay, fine. Now where you want to assign this pick list, create this pick list. Suppose in location, right? I want to create this. So come here in HRIS field. Okay, so let's do custom string one, this, both. Okay, there is already a pick list. State, I don't care. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's create here in location group. Okay, HRIS fields. Mhm. Suppose this custom string 3 and custom string 4 because we want to create cascading the pick list, right? Okay, so which pick list you want? So this is custom string one, both. Suppose this I want mandatory information, true. Click on this label and what you want, okay, this. And this custom string one, right? Okay, here you want to create a pick list. Okay, so I'm just going, yeah. So come here, custom string one, select this. So this is the field, right? Now scroll down. Come to the last section of this language. This is your field. This is your field. Okay. This is your field, right? So come to the last section of this. Okay. Come here. Fixed. Now this is program picklist ID. So you have to put your picklist ID. So which is your picklist ID? This one. Okay. This one. This is your picklist ID. Now let's create a second pick list because for the cascading you require pick list in two fields, right? So this is second, custom string second. Okay. Both. So this is also mandatory. Now come here and source. This is your second one. Big one. Not this one. Uh, okay. Select and source. Yeah. So this what I want here, which ID? This. This ID. Okay. Now in second field you have to give this command to the system. You have to fetch the information, okay, from parent pick list. Okay, so there is a program for it. Hold on, I'm telling you right now. Wait. Program is pick list code. Okay, then parent pick list is custom string one, right? That's mhm. Okay, so this is the program for assigning parent-child relationship in corporate data model. Now save this. Now upload this file. check. Yes. How you check? Come here and manage organization, pay and job structure. Okay. And where you assign this and job location group. Okay. So see, Zara education. Okay. So SAP, when I choose SAP, then in Zara module, I have only EC and SCM. Okay. So when you choose Workday, then you have option Workday Functional and Technical. So this is the way we know how to assign pick list in all data model. Now how you import and export this thing. Okay, so just come here. Foundation. See, this is the way pick list and pick list value. Okay, so this is the way you can import. And teach you import and export. Okay. Then I'll teach you this concept. Okay. So how you import. So I'll teach you all kind of import like employee import, foundation data import, and generic data import. Okay. Then I'll teach you all these things. Okay. Okay. So now let's talk about upgrade center. What is upgrade center? Upgrade center. Upgrade center is a tool. Okay. So there are basically upgrades and configuration. Okay, so you find all your upgrades in this page. So these sections are divided in three parts: important upgrade, recommended upgrade, and optional upgrade. Okay, so recommend how you upgrade this thing. Okay, so suppose that anything which you want to upgrade, these are the country specific information. Suppose this, let's take example, this you want to upgrade. Okay, okay, this is the like software upgrade. You can upgrade all these configuration from here and check too. Okay, check tool. Check tool. Basically, it is for the system health. Okay, so you can check add okay any warning message related to this. This is like configuration. So whatever configuration okay in system, you can check the system health okay for this. Okay, so how you will use this tool? Suppose you want to see error. Okay, in which section, in for which configuration you want to see, suppose center of capabilities, area. Okay, so job profile better. So no error is there. Okay, 31 issue. No competency have been identical name. If this is the issue. And you have a proposed solution for this. Okay, see. Please modify the competencies that have the same name. If you proceed with the migration without modifying the duplicate competency name, an automatically generated number will be suffixed for the competency name during the migration. For example, the competency Java will be migrated Java underscore IT. Okay, so this is the way you can see. Okay, check the system health. Okay, so system health is very simple. Okay, you can come here and check. Okay, so this is for the migration. So during the migration, if anything is there, you can check any pending migration, all these. And there is a quick fix. Okay, so this is a proposed solution, and you can use the quick fix option. So just click on the quick fix, and system will do it for you. So see, okay, see. Correction is running. You can take a look at the check history shortly. Okay, so this is the way quick fix. So this is for the migration, anything with pending migration and why the pending migration, okay, any error. So you can come here and you can check and you can use quick fix also, okay. And this is validation. Okay, so anything related to the validation, any issue related to the validation, you can see here and you can export all check and you can export all configuration also. So what is check tool? Basically, more of the story. Okay, so in check tool, you can check system health, you can check migrations related issue, you can check validation related thing here. Okay, so see for this. Okay, so it's a issue, configuration issue. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, and then so So what is check tool? Check tool is a diagnostic tool. You can say check is a diagnostic tool in SAP SuccessFactor used by administrators to verify system configuration. So whatever configurations are there in system, administrator can use this check tool, okay, for the diagnosis. Validate consistency, identify potential issue, and recommend or apply fix before those issues impact business process. So this is one of the most important tools in system. Okay, and you can use this tool just to diagnose any issue. Okay, so we have completed check tool. We have idea like how you assign all these pick list, right? Okay, in different data model. Now let's talk about schedule job manager. Okay, so come here, schedule job manager. So schedule job manager. Okay, what is schedule job manager? The schedule job manager is an administrative tool in SAP SuccessFactor that allows administrator to schedule the job. You can create a new job. You can monitor the job and manage background job that runs automatically, means upcoming job for the specific time or recurring interval. Okay. So common use of schedule job manager, like for data import, employee data import, we can create the job. For any report generation, we can create the job. For synchronization, we can create the job. Okay, integration. Okay, or for all these things, we can create the job. Okay, So means you are not doing the task manually. You have given the job to the system, and system will do it for you. Once you schedule it, it doesn't mean that you have to wait for that particular time. In case if you want it before the time, then you can run manually. Okay. So how you schedule the job? Come here in job scheduler. You can click on create a job request. Okay. Select a job type. What do you want to employee? Suppose employee data import, employee import. Okay. Employee data import. Okay. This is for employee center. Select the job owner. Okay. So who is the job owner? Okay. Fine. And type is suppose basic import. So these are the different kind of import. Okay. So what you are doing? Okay. With basic import, means basic user data import. So if you want to import this information, then send welcome message, process inactive employee, no reactive purged user. Purge means deleted user, no validate manager and HR field. Okay, so the manager and HR field are there, system will validate it. Okay, so this you want, and this is what. So if there is a promotion, transfer, any job change, okay, so there is a source manager and target manager. Source manager means old manager. So if manager like something, some information is changed regarding the manager, then system should transfer all the thing to the new manager. Okay, so this you can choose. Okay, as per the business requirement. Okay, so automatically manage transfer to the new manager. So document transfer to the new manager. Okay, or root document transfer to the new manager. All these things automatically. Document removal, remove inactive employee or completed employee. This you can choose. SAP recommends, okay, Unicode UTF-8. Okay, this is the best practice, right? Okay, choose this one. Then server access, okay, so this you can choose. Okay, so you require all these things, right? Then login name, password, and then file path you can decide here. Okay, and you can choose job occurrence, job time, like one time it is but employee import is a recurring. Okay, employee data import is a recurring. Also, what is one time? So you require this job only for one time. Okay, and recurring means repetitive. Okay, so like how in weekly you required or daily basis you required. Okay, right. So how you want to recreate this? Just a daily basis. Suppose you require on daily basis, you can choose daily basis. Then you can choose start time, end time, and recipient who is going to receive the notification, right? This you can submit. Okay, and test permission. Okay, this is the testing, but I don't have any path or the real things. Okay, so it's not necessary you will get all the options. So this, okay, so you will get all these parameter. Okay, for this, but it's not necessary you will get this parameter for other job type. Okay, so see when I change this, okay, suppose this. Okay, forget about the import option. Let's talk about synchronizations. About the delete card from database. Card means the home page card. Okay, the cards you created, so you want to delete it, so delete from it. Okay, so see now you are not getting this option. So as per the job type, you will get all these possible options which are required. Okay, so this is the job scheduler. This is upcoming job. In this section, you can see upcoming job, and this is job monitor. You can see, okay, the status of the job that that system has run already, completed, successful, pending, if failed, all these things you can see, skipped. Okay. One more thing, execution manager, dashboard. So this is Execution Manager Dashboard. So why we do use this? Execution Manager Dashboard is an administration and monitoring tool in SAP SuccessFactors that provides a centralized view of integration job. So this is for integration job, background process, schedule job, and their execution status. Okay, so this is what it helps administrator monitor, troubleshoot, analyze job performance. So this is see this is from here you can see the integration job. Okay, so these are failed, right? You can see the summary. Okay, information, integration failed, number of source page written successfully 0. Okay, and this is schedule job, any job scheduler, the same thing, okay, which you have seen, okay, and especially for this from here you can see, okay, right. Middleware integrations. Middleware integration means like you required when you are going to integrate to different applications, so you require a middleware, right? Like timesheet, absence for all these things. Okay, so from here you can see, and this is for pre-delivered integration. So basically, execution manager dashboard is a monitoring tool. What is this? This is a monitoring tool in SuccessFactors that enable administrator to track the execution status of integration and background job, view detailed logs, identify failures, and troubleshoot processing issue. All these things you can see from this, okay, execution manager. So this is monitoring and this is manage notifications. So you can create a notifications from here as well. Okay, so process will start when you want a notification and fail. Okay. Okay. So we will get the notification. So process type is. And who will get this notification? You can type email ID here. Okay, so this is the way you can manage the notification. This is middleware integration. You can manage notification from here. You can also integration, PI integration, SCI integration. You can create a notification. This is for the schedule. Okay. And this is from execution manager. You can monitor the things and you can manage notification as well. So this is execution manager. You will learn company system and logo setting. Okay. Company system and logo setting means this company system and logo setting will help you to enable features, okay, that you want to use in SuccessFactors in system. Okay. So how you will provide the permission and how you use all these features. Let's see. So come here, type manage permission role. Manage permission role. So this is for company branding, okay, and basic configuration, okay, that you will enable, you will use, okay, for this purpose. So let's see how you provide permission. Administration plane call. This is basically administration plane, okay. So company system and logo setting, you can see this thing, this configuration under administrator permission, okay. Manage under administrator permission, manage system property and select this company system and logo setting. Okay. One more thing, there is a simple, okay, so in case if you don't want to use company system and logo setting, then you can simply come here and upload the company logo. This one also, upload company logo. So you can choose a file from here and you can save it. Okay, so from this transaction, you can use, okay, so this transaction you can use just to upload company logo. Okay, so come here. Company system and logo setting. So company system, company setting has three things: company logo and product name, settings, and document attached. So these three sections are there. Okay. So company logo and product name. Okay, so what you can do, you can just type a URL, which logo you want to use, and set company logo URL, right? And you can choose the configure the product name that display in the page. Okay, right? Page header, like success factor is a standard one, none or someone customize this thing. Okay, page header. This you can customize. Okay, find the product name and all. Okay, this one, suppose this is custom, and you can type a product name and you can customize. Okay, product name, which product name? Okay, you want to view, right? But FCL, get this, you can see. The FCL, and if I choose success factor default, let's see. There's something which I am not able to see. Okay, so maybe because of the theme manager. Okay, someone has done the white. Okay, on this. See, something else. Logo is there, right? You check. Capgemini logo image. Yeah, this is Capgemini logo image. Okay. So from here you can choose. Okay, so product name. Now come here in setting option. So you can search setting like which setting you want to see. Right. So system will show you the result. But let's understand each and everything one. Okay. So this is Outlook calendar integration. So in case if you want your Outlook calendar integrate with SuccessFactors, so enable this status. Okay. Then enable master data integration with the Talent Intelligent Hub. So Talent Intelligent Hub is a module. Okay. So enable master data means employee master data integration with this module. Okay. Want this feature? Then click on this checkbox. Attach data with email. So with email, you want to attach the data for import or export job. So what is jobs? We know, right? Okay. Right. So basically you have given a task to the system. Now system will do it. Okay. As per your setting. Send result email for job information import and termination detail import. Follow up processing only if an error occurs. Enable country region specific support for address information in personal relationship import. Okay, so this is not applicable for centralized servers. Okay, so enable country region specific support. Okay, so means country specific address information in personal relationship import. This you want to enable, then you can choose this option. Leave loading, this is related to the leave loading. Okay, this is for the address you want to protect. Okay, so no, which address you want to protect means your user will cannot delete this thing. So you can choose option from here, which address you want to protect. Okay. The same way, which global information. Okay. So global information, anything related to the global information that you want to save. Okay. That no one can delete this information, then you can protect from here. Okay. From this. Now Rule for synchronization, work order change with the job information. The work order change means where you will use this thing. You will use this work order, okay, for the contingent worker, okay. So any rule that you want to synchronize the job information work order change, and you can choose from here. Right now there is enable validation for mandatory field in the dependent details section, emergency contact details section, where you find all these sections. Okay, so enable validation, where it means which fields are mandatory in this section. Okay, emergency contact details section or dependent details section. Okay, so system should validate it. Where you find it? Yes. This is the address. This address section. This is contact information section. Again, national for the national ID. Also, there is a validation. Okay, postal code, bank account, payment information validation, all these validations. Okay. So as per SAP, okay, we have to activate all these validation. This is recommendation. Okay, by SAP, we have to enable this validation. Okay, and these are the different sections. So why this validation is required means the system check whether the information entered by a user meet the configured rule before allowing it to be saved. Okay, so ensure data is accurate and complete, or ensure if there are any business rule for the required field. Okay, a user should fill that. Okay, so mandatory field, okay, cannot be left blank. So for all this purpose, okay, enable this these validation. Okay, this disable filter for custom field of type foundation object to active the setting upload any data model and provisioning. The provisioning a data model. Okay, so disable this filter. So, but don't disable it. Ignore FT during this is for the compensation model. Okay, this is again for the compensation. This is hide external user in legacy people profile, like a legacy people search. Legacy people search means so now see you see this. This is the latest people profile search. Okay, so this is not legacy. So hide any external user in legacy people search. So if you see this is even not editable. Okay, this is not editable because now we are using latest people profile. Enable log in with old username means do you want to allow your rehired employees with the new employment that they can log in with the old username? If yes, then you can enable this field. But what's a system behavior? Standard system behavior or default system behavior. The user should log in with the new username. Okay. Enable case insensitive username. This you want to enable. Okay, then you can click on it. Enable target group. So we know RBP, so we have different target groups. Okay. Based on filter or work field, this you want to enable, then select it. Everyone can access the revision history of the doc. Okay, that revision history. Everyone can see the revision history. Manager can access the revision history. Okay, enable. Keep the work permit block in people profile user case. Means work permit block, where you find work permit block? This. This is work permit block. Okay. This is work permit block. Okay. People profile user based. Yes, we want it. Do not restore sender comment on workflow action. So this is related to the workflow. So means while okay, so contributor sorry, the sender's comment. Okay, so system will not restore sender comment on workflow action. Okay, so this you don't want, then what you can do, you can just uncheck this box. Skip workflow with the duplicate approval. Means the system will skip the workflow when there is a duplicate approval. For example, Anya Singh is there. Anya Singh is a part of the role manager, and Anya Singh is a part of that group also. Okay, so that workflow group we created dynamic. So this what system will do? System will skip that name. Okay, There is a duplicate approval. Allow delegated. So means if someone is delegating, okay, then they can accept or reject workflow. Okay. So allow this option. Publish workflow events such as initiate, approval, send back, withdrawal, and decline action. Okay. This thing. Allow manager or HR representative to auto-complete the routing step with their current stage on the proposed routing map. Okay, auto-complete HR allow manager for this. Okay, this is for the RCM and all, right? Hide the personal password tab from user. Restrict email notification preference setting to administrator only. Means this setting we have done, right? Okay, this setting. So we have already seen this. Okay, this notification. Okay, this is restricted right now, na? See and see. You know, it's not restricted. Okay, so this you can control from. Enable HTML notification. Enable advanced my proficiency section in the growth portfolio. This is for the growth portfolio talent intelligence hub. Okay. So each competency, okay, source library in the writing assistant. So, okay, that writing assistant, enhanced writing assistant UI, all these you want, then you can select this option. This is show all routing comments when view document into page from report. So disable the form template workflow status report. From templates like performance management, all these are template based model, right? So for the form template workflow status report, this you want to disable. Enable manager only option for the employee import. So you can import employee only manager. Disable proxy access for user without the proxy right. Means the person who has no proxy right, they cannot see this proxy now option. Okay. Allow override to default display in calibration organization chart. This is something related to the calibration module. Show custom relationship in home page. If you want to see this custom relationship home page, so if you have imported matrix or custom manager, okay, the matrix relationship custom manager set or chart display to true for those manager after you enable this option matrix and custom relationship display in the home page. Okay, this means first you have to set this option, okay, in from org chart display, custom manager and set org chart display to true for those manager after you enable this option, metrics and custom relationship display in home page. Okay. Browser photo caching. Okay, this is product feedback in the page header. This disable. Why we should disable? Don't disable all these things. Disable display. Walk me content for administrator. Yes, this we want. Show icon and use alphabet order in the navigation menu. This icon and alphabetical order. Can you see icons and alphabetical order? Okay, this one. Enable dual calendar. Same in setting. Okay, here. So calendar. This calendar option, right? So you have only one calendar option here. Okay. So you can use only one calendar, but now you want to use a dual calendar, then click on this. Yes, see? So it's like entry calendar option. Okay. Only because of this setting. If you don't want, then you can disable. Okay. Enable personal calendar setting. Okay. Any personal calendar setting you want to use, then you can enable it. Personal calendar set. Last visit page. Which page you want? Last visit page or personal start page? Okay, this you can choose. Hide country region flag from UI. Employee center and employee profile. Employee profile. That means hide country region flag from UI. No, you want country region flag. Okay, why you want to hide it? Okay, don't select this. Enable contingent worker job. This you want to enable and enable SAP experience updated. Yes, we want it. Migrate legacy people profile configuration already done. That's the reason you have this employee files, latest employee files. Okay. Enable personal based work permit in latest people profile for concurrent employment. Person based work permit. Yes. You want to enable, you can enable. Enable person based background information block. These are blocks, right? Background information blocks. Okay. Work permit block. All these things. Biographical information. Okay. Work permit block. Okay. Enable individual talent and transfer from inactive to active employee that you want to transfer. Display unrated rating for the live profile. This is for the PMGA. Disable directory search for all user. Directory search means this. This. This directory search. Disable certain. See this. Disable. Disable certain search field for directory search. Means certain field you don't want to see. Okay, so you directory search, then what you can do, you can hide from here. Okay. Enable rating localization on live profile trend block. Okay, no, this you can enable. This is performance score related to the performance. This is enabled to the panel, means this panel. This one. Display name order customization to be removed. Okay, we don't use it. Enable adoption on general display name. Enable refresh display, general display name. Refresh assignment header. Okay, so for all these things you can refresh. From here you can refresh the thing. Okay, run the job. Enable the name format selected to the configure people profile to apply globally. So you can enable the name format. Okay, for the configure people profile. Hide job title in legacy means old one. Okay, now we are not using this. Show all active employment. Yes, show all active employment. Okay, for global assignment concurrent on profile preview of chart and global search result. Show current absence status. This show inactive user in legacy people search. This is for legacy. We are not using legacy. What we are using the latest one. We are using the latest one. Okay, this one. Search for people by additional keywords such as the job title, location, department. Okay. So this you can search. Search people by employee central name field. Enable field search function for people search. Okay. This. Enable company onboarding to enhance people search. All these fields you can enable. Okay. Enable national ID, enhance people search. Okay. All these things. Okay, enable show me latest option. This okay, just so you are able to see the latest update not only because of this setting. Okay, so full search means a search feature that helps user find record even when the search term is not an exact match, like a spelling mistakes. Only part of a name is entered. The entered text is similar to the actual value. Okay, means okay, it's not exact match. Instead, system will show you the result. This one. This enhance search. Okay, so enable certain search field for directory search. This we can use. Enhance screen reader support. Right. Enable show me option. Do not override the manager field when content no manager means we know like how to import or export the data, right? Okay, so in while importing the data, okay, so I selected when there is a no manager, no manager. Why? Because see, system will not override the manager field. Okay, when the containing while importing no manager. So you have to activate it from here. Okay. Make the user info field for HR manager and matrix manager editable. Yes, we want display presentation folder homepage. Enable the latest homepage experience. Yes. See this homepage, right? During the homepage, we understood this thing. This is the homepage. You want to change it for the latest one. You want to use latest one, then you can select on it. Show getting started, help video on home page. Show a user from global header search will show the profile. You hide global navigation menu. Okay, you can use all these things. Use system generated password by default. Yes, we want a system generated password by default. Okay, all document will display there from template. All document display from their current template. URL for the company research center. Okay, this you can type here URL. You can type email address separated by comma. Okay, select the for the stack ranker. You can select the stack ranker. This is for the performance and goal management. This is functional currency. Okay, this is for the compensation management. Minimum, maximum number already used for as an employee ID. Okay, this you can see maximum number used for employee ID. Next employee ID, this will be the next employee ID. Maximum threshold size for the employee central and foundation data import. Okay, allow maximum 5. Batch size you can use okay for the employee and foundation data import 1 to 100. This you can decide as per your company requirement. Batch size for the data residency operation you can choose okay maximum allowed is 550. Schedule job retention period means after how many days okay so you can delete the data. System will delete the data 180. This is a maximum days, right? Mm. Session for the processing direct report and job relationship office. Default event reason to use when processing direct report and job relationship. From here you can choose the default event reason, right? Data retention management. Yes, we want data retention management. So this you can decide minimum approval for data retention management and set the retention time in days for finished purge request in purge request monitor. Enter a number between 1 to 11825. So 180 is a standard okay option we have. Enable legacy based data retention. Ena- Enable additional variable based data retention for Poland. This is a country specific. This is again country region specific DRTM. DRTM is data retention management. Enable delegation feature. Definitely you want a delegation feature. Specify date range for automatic cancellation of delegation. So see, suppose you delegated a work, okay, but delegatee has not taken any action. Then you can select, okay, no action taken by within 3 days or 2 days, then automatic cancellation. System will do automatic cancellation. Enable SAP SuccessFactors Enterprise Service Management. This target URL for transferring the data. Okay. And this is a document attachment. Attachment user limit. Define user who should be executed from the attachment user limit. Attachment max file size. Okay. Enable alert for attachment storage. Okay. Alert you can means when your system is full. Okay. Attachment storage is full. Then system will give the alert. Okay. Attachment limit notification monitor period. Okay, you can decide from here 137. Start sending alert when the storage reaches the following percentage of the total allocation. Okay, 90% then. Additional recipient list for attachment storage alert. Maximum 5 recipients separate by semicolon. You can type here. You will get the list. Okay. Then attachment storage is full. Recipient list for attachment various scan alert. Okay, this you can type here and you can save it. Okay, so these are the system logo setting. Okay, we will use okay to enable or disable few feature as per the requirement. Configure people profile in SAP. We know this thing, right? People search, benefit of people search. Okay, so support search and all we have done practical related to this. Using action search, other search, and custom navigation. Okay, so name matching logic. If you want to search for employee and are not sure about the exact spelling of their name, you can use a special character star as a white. Yeah. Yes. If you know the don't know the name, you can use this option. Okay. Yeah. If in fact not search only in SAP. Okay, you want to search anything, you can use this option as a white star. To help you better understand the matching logic, let's assume that person A Mike and person B Mike Williams are in our employee database. Okay. Then see you are able to see Vijay search means just type it Alex. Okay, system will show you not exactly matching. I already explained this. Okay, this is inactive user the global header people profile means. Okay, if you inactive, okay, inactive user enable. If this option you enable, then you can see inactive also. Means like okay, like see, can you see? We are able to see this inactive. Why? Because this is enabled. This is enabled from here. Okay. Yes. Enable individual talent data transfer from inactive employment and show inactive user from the legacy. This is for the legacy. Okay. This is enable inactive. That's the reason you are able to see. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Yeah, this is using action search, other search and customer rule. Rule is an AI. Okay. So what is rule? Rule support in SAP success factor. So hold on. Rule has the capability to dealing with HR tasks. So rule is a chat box, right? In success factor, for example, employee and manager self-service, you can see. Okay, see, talk to me naturally, for example, request feedback. Okay, so this from here you can just write and rule will give you answer. This is an AI. Okay. So with the assistant manager, an employee can perform business tasks in a conversational context that is enabled by supported transactional use case. Zool is available on all page in the SuccessFactors SCM. So how do you activate all these AI services? I'll show you, but let me complete this first. Okay. So so all these AI services, okay, let me show you a practical. AI access, okay? See all these things. So assistant performance goal, assistant development goal, career site, okay, assistant job interview question, all AI systems are there. Okay, provide permission, okay, get permission from here and manage AI capabilities. All these permissions. One more thing, come here, type AI administration, AI service administration. Okay, activate all services from here, whatever services you want. Okay, so that's performance preparation agent, assistant writing. So writing, when something is related to the writing, right? Okay, then it's generative AI. And ask for HR policy, ask HR, asking something, this is joke. Okay, so you can ask, you can start conversation with this AI. Okay, all this AI can do. This is for the learning, this is for the talent, performance management, development, history, talent intelligent hub. This is for recruiting. Okay, work deck, payroll. So all these things. Okay, so you have to activate these services from here. So see the same thing. Okay. So AI assisted writing. Okay. A writing assistant, it's not a writing assistant. Basically, it's Generative AI will help you to writing assistant. Okay, AI assistant writing available for using the product area. These are the product area you have already seen. Okay, in system this thing. Okay, just change the tone. Okay, all this. But this is assistant writing. Not a rule is a text box. Okay, all these bulk rates support the following. All these we can do Microsoft Teams and chat. Okay, all these we can use or chart configuration. This I'll teach you this thing. Okay. So we have already done home page, right? Hold on, let me show you that any AI we are using. See this. So this is generative AI. Generative AI basically help you. These three I's we are using a success factor. Generative AI create a summarize HR content. This will help you to write a content. Okay. And deep learning will help you to see the proper research. After doing the proper research give you suggestion. Okay, deep learning basically see each and everything. Deep learning will see each and everything in system, okay, then give you the recommendation. Okay, like suppose if you talk about the talent intelligence hub, so which skill I should require, then deep learning will search, okay, all the aspects and then give you the recommendation. Zoom is a AI co-pilot, okay, so natural language assistant. It's kind of a, so this is chat box basically. You can chat with the Zool and the Zool will, when whatever you want to tell to the Zool, okay, the Zool will open that feature for you, okay, and complete that task. So generative AI basically create a new text and code from existing data, integrate into the SAP streamline workflows. Workflow. So this we do use for writing a content. Okay, and this extract a skill and insight from the unstructured data, continuous update talent profile, learn patterns, and predict accordingly. So this deep learning will give you basically predict the thing according to the past data. And this is a rule, this is a chat box, natural chat based access to information, automates routing tasks, and improve employer customer experience. Okay, so all these things. So this is like generative AI. Okay, so writing, enhance writing, change tone, make shorter, make longer, all these things we can do. Okay, all these things. This helps to write the policy, HR policies, and all, or any job descriptions. Okay, this will help them like in recruiting, in performance management, in succession planning. Okay, so in talent intelligent hub. So these AI we are using in this. So enhanced recruiting capability also. Okay, this and performance management, recruiting, talent intelligent hub, HR policies. So we can use all these AI.